Yeah, again. Ala, they're unboxing.
You're unboxing.
They're crushy fluffies. Ala, yours is blue. Okay, wait sa dungan mo ni ate, dungan mo. Oh, unsa kay sulod ani? It's crushy fluffy.
Ooh. And there's the checklist. It's so cute.
Okay.
The checklist.
This is Ate Chibar. Oh, hold it.
This is the checklist.
That's the checklist.
And you
No, wait sa mommy will do. Sige, sit down sa mo.
You have to
Give me the
review
trash.
this.
Give me the trash first.
there's a characters in this. So you know.
Asa imong sticker din among this? That one. Okay, yours is this one. This one, this is the first one crushy fluffy that Amber get.
Yeah, before.
I'm a crushy fluffy. I'm so squishy. Where's the bottle of this
I'm
one?
so crushy.
I'm so crushy. You have to crush me to make it soft.
Before there's a pack of like that. And you just cut.
Wait, careful.
I hope you get the red panda.
Morning first nakuha ni Amber, then they like it.
And first, you need to
Unboxing! Oh, wait sa. I'll do like this. Then, oh, it's okay na. Sige, wait sa. Dungan mo ni Ate Big. Okay, sige, Big. Sige.
And let's see our crushy fluffy.
Wow, you got purple!
Ready? Reveal
How
time.
about Amber?
Reveal time. Ready?
Ala!
Set, go!
Ala!
You got. Oh my
Ala!
God.
Look! Ala! Pretty kaayo!
I look pretty.
Yours too! Wow! They got this. What's their name?
Let me check in the
So,
checklist.
Amber get this one.
Her name is Ali Axolotl.
Ah, axolotl siya?
Yes. And
This one?
mine
yeah,
is
I think-
Harry Hedgehog.
Yeah, then it's so hard. You need to crush it to make it soft. Oh, sige.
And I want this one.
You need to crush it
Sammy
just like
Sloth.
Amber's do.
I like
Amber do.
Sammy Sloth.
So, the first one is the purple. Ang purple kay si Kanisha.
And
Si Crushy
this is
Fluffy.
Quincy Quacka.
Quincy Quack.
Yeah, that's a name.
So, pwede niyo siya ibutang dire mga madiyo. Na siya. What? How to do it again?
Just put it in. But it wouldn't fit in.
Ah, you have to put it like that.
No, you just covered it. Crushy fluffies.
Oh, you crush na. Starting
Crush
crushing it na. So, you have to do like this, oh. Crush. Manang gitawag siya crushy fluffy because you need to crush it.
You need to crunch it. It's so soft you can hug.
Yeah, there you go. Hi, my name is Crushy
It is the crushy fluffies.
Fluffies. Ano yung name ni?
It is
Her name is
Quincy. Her name is Quincy.
Axolotl siya.
And she's Ali Axolotl.
Ah, Ali.
And this is Quincy Quacka.
And yours?
She's Harry Hedgehog.
Ah, hedgehog.
Yes.
You have to crush it like that para ma-soft siya. Look at this.
And there's a fluff in this.
What? Nice ka ay.
Sometimes.
You already got 3 fluffies. Then you put it, yellow man tayo mo, diba?
Oh yes.
Eh, nana siya. Ting, 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 ting. How about Amber?
If it's wide, you can put
Where's
it
the green?
in. If it's wide, your hole right here, you can put it. If it's small, it's just like this. Cover it up.
Yeah, pwede naman siya isulod yan. Oh. Nice siya.
And
Where's
now
the cover?
we
Where's the cover? No, no.
collection. And I like it. I wish I got Sammy Sloth.
Ta-da! It's a surprise.
Then next, put ours next. The new one.
This one is so pretty, Axolotl. Ali Axolotl. Yang name kay Ali.
Let me see. Harry, when it's mine.
Okay. How about Chibar? Oh, look at that.
Wait, so I just put it in. Just like that. Cover.
There's a cover.
Sometimes
I think
they
it's
have
okay.
smell that is baku in it.
It's not baho.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the crushy thing.
Yeah, that's a crushy. Anyways, let's so fluffy. It's almost like
Ala, it fit. Come Amber, it fits. And anak din siya, oh. Anak. from Stanley.
yes, if it is just
It
like that.
fits.
If
How about
fits,
yours,
just
B?
like this. If it's classic, it's not gonna do it.
Ay,
If
really?
this is the classical shape of this.
Ah, yeah. Unlike like that ba?
Unlike that, you need to get triangular ones.
Okay, thank you. Till next time again. Pag nana na po Crushy
Crushy.
Flashy.
It's Crushy Fluffies.
It's Crushy Fluffies.
Goodbye.
It's Crushy time.
It's Crushy time.
Good night.
Goodbye and good night.